Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so my home screen is obviously visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen right now. And then, once it is, simply press power button and volume down at the same time. You have a vibration with a flash and a pop-up with edit, tag, and share options, and the T allows you to detect text on the screenshot, which is a very neat option when it comes down to just copying things from an image. So, for instance, just to kind of showcase this, because this doesn't actually only apply to screenshots, it also applies to photos, I believe. I just bring up something as an example. And you can see it appears with text again. I can capture. Apparently this zooms in now, okay. There we go. So, to showcase this off, once you have your screenshot or photos captured, you can navigate to your gallery right over here. Let's go back to the main pictures tab right here, or albums, which should have, there we go, screenshots option. So that's specifically for screenshots. You can see there's the screenshot that I've captured, and you also have the access to the text detection right here. Just to showcase this. Give it a moment, does a little bit of thinking, and then, for instance, select settings as a text, choose copy, and then I can easily paste it into a clipboard. And same thing goes for image that I have right here. Can also do the same thing. It highlights the area that has a text detected, and for instance, I can just go like this, copy, or maybe I want to select this Mandarin right here and translate it, which also gives me the option. So there we go. In any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.